Bungee Cord project update, a new method I discovered. I thought I'd share it with you. I think these turned out much better than the last ones. Let's get started on this project. For this project, you're going to need needle nose pliers, scissors, and a metal screwdriver with a small enough shaft to fit the cord. Also, a lighter and wire cutters. The supplies you'll need for this project are elastic hair bands, preferably black, or black rubber bands, and paper clips. To start this project, we're going to straighten out a paper clip. Once you have your paper clip straightened out, take one end of the paper clip and bend it over the screwdriver. This is going to start coiling the paper clip. Keep twisting until you build up coils on the paper clip. You want several coils. This will help hold this elastic cord onto the paper clip. Now that you've finished building your coils, it should look like this. Take an elastic cord and cut it in half. Insert one end into the coils. You might have to turn it a little bit to get it to go through. Once the elastic cord is through the coils, take a lighter and singe the frayed end. Be careful. Don't set your house on fire. Repeat with the other end. Now you're going to take each end and bend them towards each other. What this will do is this will cause the coils to coil around tightly, holding the elastic cord in place. Repeat with the other end. That should do it. Now build your hook on this end. I prefer my hooks rather large so they can hook onto things. This is entirely up to you how large you want your hook end. There you go, that looks good. Now trim the excess off with wire cutters. Careful not to trim too much off, but enough to where they're not going to poke you. And there you go. That is your finished bungee cord. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.